Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Welcome to Bloxburg today. You know why we guys are playing this? Because I built like four houses. One my mom made because I'm building a house for her. She's building a house for me. But I'm not gonna show you the house that my mom made because it's not there yet. So I made a house yesterday all by myself. I didn't use any video, and I like usually I wasted like a bunch of bucks on it. So this is my Los Angeles, California house. I'm not done with it, but like I'm getting there. I'm getting there. There's a lot of steps I need to go through. My Los Angeles, California house because when I grow up I want to be a singer and I want to live in Los Angeles because I don't live in Los Angeles. I live in Illinois, Chicago. So this is my first house that I showed you. But this wasn't my first house. This was like my third house I ever made. Okay, so next we're gonna go back to menu, main menu. Oh my god, why does this hurt? I feel like something's shocking me. Shocking me. Oh wait, let me make a bigger screen. I forgot about that. What a wonder. Wait. Ah, something's hurting me. Okay. Mansion. Oh no. It's okay. Next is the empty plot. Okay. So this is my pink mansion. Oh my god, I have so many rooms to go through. Maybe there's usually like 10 rooms or something. So here we are on the gate. A lot of people just jump and they're like, "Hey, can you build my house? Oh, hey, you over there, can I come in your house so we can play a role play?" Oh my god, it's so annoying. Too much for me. Too much. And then sometimes I give away money to people because I had a lot back then. Okay, so this is my garage with the car on it. I don't know why it's open, but that's kind of awkward. So this is the little whatever. Okay, and then we have a little. I have it outside my house too. It's a camera. It's like what is this called? The Ring camera. I have the app too. My mom and dad because I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Okay, next we have the beautiful kitchen. Oh, there's some hot sauce. Maybe we can get. Oh my god, it's burning my mail. Oh, I didn't know we were gonna get on fire. Wow, I did not know that, but it's kind of burning us. So this is our kitchen. This is like the gym over here. Wait, it's a little punch. Okay, why am I? And then here's like a treadmill, and then when you're tired, you just lay down and sleep. Have a wonderful day. Yeah, okay, that's kind of awkward too. Here's the little dining room table, and then here's the, oh my god, I thought someone was fighting in my house, but it's actually the bees on me. Should I maybe take a shower? I can't turn on the light. Turn on. This is the bathroom. Wait, I'm gonna take myself a little shower. This one kind of looks weird. As you guys see, I'm bald. I'm bald. My hair is bald. Okay, get away, flies. Okay, we're just kind of put our mushroom toes on it. So here's the piano and our little laundry room. Little laundry room, like our little. Okay, and then here's our living room. Why is it so dark? I didn't want to put on all the lights because then I would waste out electricity. Then I had to spend my books on it. It's so annoying. I just hate it. I don't like it. So I just. Okay. Next, we go up to our beautiful stairs. Okay, it's doing it by itself. Look, I'm not doing anything. Okay, stop. Now. Computer, listen to me. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. 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 Come on, you're a dog now. I'm gonna call you a dog for now. Come on! Oh, she's out of control. There we go. Good girl. There you go, my doggy. Okay, doggy, stop it. Oh my. Okay, you're out of control, doggy. I didn't say jump. Thank you. Okay, here's our little bedroom. Our little oh my god, you guys see this? Look at this. Are you ready? 2, 1. Ariana! I have her on. I know, that's kind of creepy. Yeah, a lot of people say like, hey, why is there Ariana Grande picture? I was like, hey, I like her. You don't need to mind your own business. Okay, so here's like the strollers, the bears, and the little thing. I have a lot of windows so I might wake up the babies. I'm sorry, babies. I just like, and here's just a little extra room that we don't need to worry about. We're just gonna move on to the next house of ours. This is my last house, but there's another house that I'm telling you guys that is not finished. My mom is making it. I'm not done with her house because I really want to make it look pretty, and she doesn't have multiple ones. I do because she doesn't have any Robux. So like, this is the house that I made all by myself. Seriously, I did actually, guys. Okay, so here's the little pool. We have the little pool. I don't know what to call it. Pool. What in the world? Okay, here's 4 vehicles. We need a car, a motorcycle, a bike, and a scooter because me and my sister do a little. Oh, that person's dancing like. Okay, nice. Nice moves, good girl. You're a good girl. Okay, so this is like the door color. Here we have inside. Here's the little. Oh my. Blake from The Voice with Ariana. Okay, Blake. Hi, Blake. What do you want, sir? Hi. Can I help you? Hi, can I help you? Can I help you? Hi, can I help you? Lakers, yeah, Los Angeles. Go for Los Angeles. Bunch of times. Come on, Blake, hurry before I close the door. Can I have money? If not, it's okay. Okay, I'll give it. I'll give some. I mean, I'm a YouTuber. And you guys remember, I'm doing a bloxburg giveaway. Okay, I'll get it. Okay, I'll get it. 10,000. I'm not sure if he's just pranking me or something, but I'm just gonna do a 10,000. I think 10,000 is pretty good. You choose how much you want to give me. I hope it's like donated because I really. Please work, please. Dang it! It didn't work. Okay, let's give away a 5,000 then. Okay, a 5,000. Yes! Oh my god. You're welcome. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, you successfully gave 5,000 to Blake. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What do you think so much? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. He said, oh my OMG, thank you so much. I can buy a house. Yay! Hey. Okay, now we gotta get back. No more, Okay, and then is this is our living room, as you guys see. I was trying to put an elevator by the stairs, but I didn't. Here's the we're gonna get to their security systems. Okay, 4 baby chairs, and then we got a little kitchen with a little chairs, 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 chairs. Okay. Dog. Seriously, dog. Dog, please be a good girl. Let's call you a good boy. Okay, we're just gonna ignore that. This is the party room. I forgot to add in chairs. Don't worry. It's just you. Okay, just stop talking. Okay. Okay. Here's my little bedroom. Oh. Ariana, save your tears. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ariana, guys. Okay. And then this is the part that I was talking about. So let's be right here. And then, so this is the house. Right, you can watch. And then this is the kind of doorbell that I have, that like you go on the Ring app and then you see if anyone's there. It's super cool. Just make sure because you know, it's just safe. Okay, then we have the baby room, the best baby room. I'm trying to fill in these. Let's try. Yeah, I know I'm too old. Okay, guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like, subscribe, and have a wonderful unicorn peak alley day. Bye!